What all you have? Do you get the whole thing? Alright. This is my Xbox. As you can see, I have it disassembled. I got the Red Ring of Death about a few weeks ago, and my warranty was up, and I wasn't going to pay over $100 to have it fixed and shipped there and back. So I decided to try to fix it myself. I got on YouTube and searched a lot of, did a lot of research on how to fix the Xbox. None of these solutions worked. I just kept having the Red Ring of Death every time I tried it. It was a waste of time and money. So I've decided to put my Xbox to good use. So I decided to take it apart. I'm gonna actually set the DVD drive, this game drive, away to the side. I'm gonna set it to the side because I'm actually gonna use that. I am I'm doing a little trade deal with one of my friends. He has a working Xbox 360, but his CD drive hasn't been reading all the discs right, so I'm going to swap it out since mine's fine. So, this is the pieces of the Xbox. I took it apart, and I was trying to fix it earlier. This is the little red ring deal. It's got the little LEDs, actually on buttons right here. You click it. So, that's cool. I took the case apart already. I got a little frustrated trying to get the heat sink off and it wouldn't work. So I'm gonna put this thing to good use. I mean really there's no future for this thing. So I mean I figured I'd have a little fun with it, see if I could try to fix it. So I mean I first started with a little and it wasn't really working too much. So I mean this came out really good. I mean that was really nice. So I put that to the side. I mean these little like capacitors or whatever, they weren't really wanting to work. So I was like, I mean I loosened them up a little bit to try to nice, and maybe one less one would help it run a little faster. I wasn't sure. So I mean you never know. But this heatsink was just being a real pain. So I mean I just didn't know what to do with it. It just didn't want to come out, and I was trying to loosen it up, try to maybe fix the CPU. It wasn't working. So I mean this little extension works kind of good. I mean it helped loosen it up a little bit. I mean you just, and it just, I mean it's loosened up a little bit. I mean I'm not sure. I think it might run faster now. If I put it back together, I think it might run a little faster. I don't know. I'm not sure. The fans seem like they might still work. I don't know. I should test it out. We'll see. I'm not sure if it'll. The fan come out. I don't know if that one will work anymore. We could try it. We could always try it and see. I mean, you can always just. I mean, I don't. Maybe it's salvageable. I was thinking about trying to sell it on eBay and as a refurbished. I wasn't sure. So I think I got a good deal on it. I mean, I could put in there that I tried working on it and just didn't really work out for me, and that it was a project Xbox, someone that can build it, maybe mod it out a little bit. So I mean, if anybody's interested, it's sold as is. All sales are final. And good luck with it. I mean, I really think it has a lot of potential. So, yeah, that's basically it. So, I'll be posting it on eBay. Starting bid will be $200. But I do have a buy it now option. I will post it for about $250. So make sure you get your hands on this. It's definitely a good buy. So, a lot of potential. Definitely to mod it out. So, everyone have a good evening. And I'm going to continue trying to put this Xbox back together or get it prepped. So. I think it works now. Wait a minute. I got something else I don't want. Oh, where'd it go? Yes. I think I fixed it. You still recording? Alright, let's see if we can get a few last final shots in here. Well, get a good close shot at that. See that? Xbox 360 Pro console. Gotta make sure. Oh, there was a metal thing in there. Here we go. The O kind of fell off, but we'll fix that. We'll fix it. Xbox 360. I don't know if there's anything else.
Highest bidder also gets this newly refurbished computer.
It's already all broken.
With removable screen, apparently. It's touchscreen.
This one is also refurbished. There's a little loving on the backside too. Oh! I broke the bat! Ow! Look at that! I broke it in 2 spots already. So I broke that like 2 years ago, and now I'm broke on the other side. I'm bleeding. Ow! That freaking hurt. How am I gonna use this thing now? Oh, it kinda hurts now. We might have one more remedy. Where did I put my remedy at? Heck, I don't know where I put it. Might have a remedy here. Shall we up there? Here, look, check this out. Xbox, right there.
No.
Xbox right there. No, I'm not gonna shoot your.
I don't want it to ricochet and hit my laptop.
Xbox symbol. Oh, shit. It ricocheted off that and flew right next to my face. Oh, wait, what if I shot the screen? Dude.
We now know it's bulletproof.
Hey, I wouldn't flip that over. I don't know what's in there. That might be actually, that's liquid crystal. It's all good. Ready? Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's empty. All in all, I think this has been a very good day.
Once again, you can find these products on eBay. Soon. Cheap.
still recording.
This has been a monster production.